started with a delivery, a cardboard package from the goldsmith, inside a white box with a green ribbon. Then another white box. And then a glossy, oversized ring box. Sleek, perfect, but nothing personal about it. It holds the ring, but it doesn't tell our story. And too bulky to fit my pocket. So I picked up my knife and started carving a piece of cherry wood from her childhood tree. Not just a box, but our story, carved in wood. I'm holding a piece of cherry wood, cut from her tree. I carved 4 practice pieces before this, small rough tries. Too shallow, too narrow. Each one taught me what this box needed to be. Now, with this wood, I'm ready. This is her tree, our story, a promise. Wielding my hatchet, peeling bark and sapwood to find the heartwood. Rough strokes at first, searching for the shape within. As a student, I was always late for class, but that's how I noticed her. Mid-row, catching the light. We never spoke, just glanced. A quiet spark growing in silence. Then, the last day of school, a rumor. Her group was heading for Brygga, the old dock in my hometown. I dragged my classmate there, and there she was. That evening we talked, and we haven't stopped since. When her family sold her childhood home, I asked for one thing. One of the wild cherry trees in their backyard. She grew up along it, climbing, playing, imagining. No one planted it, it just grew like a companion. Maybe a bird dropped the seed, maybe fate. Cherry wood that holds love and memory forever. This was her tree. Now it is ours. This isn't a typical project. No fancy machines, no blueprints, just feeling. Shape the block into soft arced form. Saw off the lid, carve a nest for the ring, add tiny hinges, finish with care. No shortcuts. Just hands, simple tools and intention. The block went from a rough cube chopped with a hatchet to a smooth shape carved with my trusty knife, gliding through the wood, finding its form. Soft, rounded corners. A shape that fits the palm like a verstone. I marked a line across the grain, one deep breath, one steady cut. The box splits, 2 pieces, one story. Tiny hinges, simple, elegant and quiet. I cut mortises, aligned them and set the screws. The lid opens smoothly and confidently. 2 tiny magnets keeps the lid from opening unwanted. Then I hollow it, drill out the bolt, before a gouge and a spoon knife creates a nest, a soft, safe home for the ring. Not just a hole, but a cradle. Some linseed oil on the wood and the cherry glows. Rich, red, alive. It's not just a box, it's made to last. The ring inside is custom, simple, personal. Made by the great people at Mumbai, Stockholm. Not sponsored, but this ring deserves a shout out. A 1/4 carat diamond, clear as her laughter. 4 olive green emeralds, the shade of her eyes. 1 for each of our 3 sons, and 1 for me. We protect her. She is our diamond. But this box, her 3, tells our story. This part isn't filmed. Some things are too personal and private. But picture this, us at Brygga again, where it all began. The box in my hand, the words finally ready. Neil opened the box and everything I couldn't say carved inside. Hope it inspires. Thank you for watching.